My name is Noor. I live in Burwood, New South Wales. I went to Bunnings Greenacre in Sydney and saw the Easy Fit roller shutter. I placed the order online. The roller shutter was packed well with phones and checklist, instruction menu, everything. And I'm going to install this roller shutter onto this window, but the outside. This is the window I'm going to install the roller shutter, as this is a bit narrow here, so I cannot, put the roller shutter on the ground here for the video. Operating from the inside. From the outside. My experience of installation of Easy Roller Shutter was pretty great, as the attached instructions was very clear and straightforward. You cannot even tell it was installed by a DIY, or as it has a so professional looking result.